little brother. Why?
No,
Do that again. Teacher, if you do that again,
I'm sorry.
Hey, right. Again.
Teacher, do that.
Happy Okay, right. We can do it later again, okay? Okay.
I love to dance very much.
Huh? Your little brother likes to dance a lot.
Yes.
Okay, right. So, today, this afternoon, we are doing health. Health.
Help me.
Health.
Help me.
Health.
มีคนคุยแชท
We are doing health. Oh, do you remember the last time that we did health? We were talking about our teeth. Can you remember? We were doing our teeth the time. Do you remember? Can you remember we were doing our teeth and you needed to cut out the how to brush?
Yes.
Did you do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Broken.
Oh, yours is broken? Who has theirs? Oh, no.
I cannot doing.
You cannot do it.
Doing. I doing with
Oh,
my mom is not doing.
Very good, Nanon. Oh, but is it broken, Nanon, or is it okay?
Sure, look. I don't know how to do it.
Wow, you. Very good. Well done.
I so busy and then this.
Kalpan, did you do it?
Busy. Yes.
Yeah. Do you have yours there with you? Good job, Nanon. Good job, Ryu.
ลิวช่วยเราด้วย
Let's see who else did it. T, did you do it?
I do it, but my little brother is make it broken.
Oh, I see. Okay.
สีเขียวamong us สีเขียว
And Yuri, where is yours? Did you do yours, Yuri? Yuri?
What?
Did you make your teeth? Did you cut it out?
Yes.
Where is it? Can you show me? No, Yuri, the activity from the last time I saw you.
This ช่วยเราด้วย
I cannot see what you're showing me.
โอเคเอาแบ็คกราวด์ข้างหลังออกแล้วกัน
The one that you had to cut out, Yuri. Did you do the one that you had to cut out?
หน้า17อ่ะยูริให้ทีเชอร์ดู I don't cut out.
You didn't cut it out. Okay. Who else? Nate, did you make one?
Me no.
Hey, no, you also didn't do yours. Oh, why not? Okay, let's see. Nate, did you make yours? Did you cut yours out? No, okay. Only a few of you did it. Okay. If you can, please try to cut it out and stick it, okay? Yuri, you can try to do it later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks, my boy.
Teacher.
Yeah. Oh, well done, Eva. Good job. That's beautiful. Good job. Well done.
นนนท์ทำไมแมวนายมันจ้องเรา
Okay, right. So, who can remember what the tips are for taking care of your
แมว
teeth?
ผีมาจ้องอยู่ที่
How do we take care of our teeth? Can you remember?
มีหมอนเอาไว้ป้องกัน
How can we take care of our teeth? Can you remember? You must use the right size. Use the right size toothbrush. What else can we do to take care of our teeth? Make sure the bristles are not too hard and not too soft. One that is suitable for your teeth. Brush your teeth how many times?
Twice a day.
Twice a day. That's right. And we should use fluoride toothpaste. We should use fluoride toothpaste. And lastly, what should we do? We should visit the dentist, right? We should make sure to go to the dentist so that they can check it and make sure that everything is okay. All right, so today we are looking at germs. Germs, germs, germs. Germs. So before we carry on, can you tell me what are germs? Do you know what germs are? What are germs? Who knows?
Bacteria.
What? Yeah, it's bacteria. That's right. Germs are bacteria. And is it clean or dirty? Is it clean or dirty?
Dirty.
It's dirty. That's right. It's dirty. But do you think that germs are all around us? Do you think that germs are everywhere? Yeah, they're everywhere. Germs are everywhere. Yes, that's right. But we have good germs and bad germs. Okay, there are good germs and bad germs. Okay, so I want to share this with you before we do our pupil book. So let me go here. Okie dokie. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Happy birthday to you. Hey, what are you doing?
You made me lose my count. I was singing happy birthday 20 times to make my hands clean.
You don't have to wash your hands 20 times. You only have to wash it for 20 seconds.
So I did this for nothing?
No, not exactly. You still wash your hands to keep the germs away. What are you talking about? All different kinds of germs. Bad germs and good germs. Do you want to learn about germs?
Yeah. Let's learn about germs.
But before we do, don't forget to subscribe.
There is a group of tiny invaders that can make our body sick. They are called germs.
Make sure you wash your hands.
But my hands are clean.
Even if you look closely at your hands, you won't see any germs. But that doesn't mean there isn't any.
Germs are so small, but can do a lot of damage to our bodies if we're not careful. So let's dive in and learn more.
So what are germs?
Well, some people may think that germs are like bugs or cooties or other gross things. But actually, germs are tiny living organisms that can cause disease. Germs are so small, so teeny tiny, that they can sneak right into our bodies and we not even know about it.
In fact, germs are so small that you need to use a microscope to see them.
When germs do get in our bodies, we won't even know it even happened until we start to have symptoms that say we've been attacked by germs. And that's when we sometimes start to feel icky and sick.
Even though some of these germs can secretly invade the human body, acting like a tiny invisible army and can make you sick, there are other germs that are used to help your body.
Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your
body function.
So what do germs do?
Well, like other living things, germs need to eat to grow and survive. When bad germs get inside our bodies, they act like little thieves. These germs start to steal some of the nutrients from the food we eat and drink. They then use those nutrients to grow and make toxins. A toxin is a type of protein that acts like poison in our bodies. Toxins will give you a fever and can make you cough and sneeze when you get sick, with a cold, for example.
Are there different types of germs, and what are they?
Even though most germs are very small, germs can come in different shapes and sizes. There are 4 main types of germs: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Bacteria are little tiny organisms that are everywhere around us. Bacteria is a single-celled organism that can act like plants or animals. Bacteria has existed on the earth for over 3 billion years. Bacteria lives almost everywhere, and it lives and survives by eating the food they find in their environments. Bacteria come in all sorts of shapes, including rods, spirals, even spheres.
Some bacteria could swim. They do this by using their long tails called flagella.
Did you know that you have bacteria living in your mouth?
The good thing is, most bacteria isn't dangerous, but some can be and can make you sick.
These bacteria are called pathogens. Pathogens can create diseases in animals and plants.
Some common infections caused by bacteria are ear infections, pneumonia, food poisoning, tetanus, and sore throats.
Fortunately, nowadays we have antibiotics that we can take that help us to fight off these bad pathogens. We also have antiseptics that help us keep cuts and scrapes clean of bacteria. It's also important to use antibiotic or antibacterial soap. We use this special soap to wash our hands and keep off bad pathogens.
Always remember to wash your hands.
Remember I said that not all bacteria are bad? Well, some bacteria can be very helpful.
Helpful bacteria lives in our stomachs and intestines. This bacteria actually helps us to digest our food. Without those good bacteria, we would not be able to get all the nutrients and vitamins out of the food we eat. Some bacteria is also helpful to assist our immune systems for protecting us from certain organisms that can make us sick.
Some bacteria will also be used by scientists in labs to produce medicines and vaccines.
Next, there are viruses.
A virus needs to be inside living cells to grow and produce. Most viruses can't survive very long if they're not inside a living thing like a plant, animal, or a person. Whatever a virus lives and feeds on is called its host.
When viruses get into people's bodies, they can spread and make people sick.
Viruses cause chickenpox, measles, flu, and many other diseases. Some viruses can live on something like a doorknob, plates, money, countertops, books, and more. And if someone sick touches something like this virus can stay there for a long time, even after the person touches it.
Depending on what type of germs and the kinds of surface they get on, as well as the environment, some viruses can last longer than one whole day, while some for 30 to 45 minutes before they die and cannot spread anymore.
So again, Be sure to wash your hands often. The next type of germ is fungi. Hey, Dad!
Yeah?
You're a fun guy!
Thanks!
Don't you get it?
Fungi are multi-celled, which simply means made of many cells. They are a plant-like organism. Unlike other plants, fungi cannot make their own food from soil, water, and air like flowers and trees do.
Instead, fungi get their vitamins and nutrients from plants, people, and animals.
Fungi love to live in damp, warm places, and most fungi are not dangerous to healthy people. But fungi can cause itchy rashes on the body. A good example of something that can happen because of fungi is athlete's foot.
This is an itchy rash that teens and adults sometimes get between their toes. Finally, we have protozoa.
Protozoa are one-cell organisms that thrive in moisture and often spread diseases through water.
Some protozoa cause intestinal infections that lead to diarrhea, nausea, and belly pain. Next, we'll tell you what germs do once they get into our body. So, how do doctors figure out what germs are doing to us?
Well, first they take a good close look.
They do this by looking at samples of blood, pee, as well as other fluids under a microscope. Sometimes they also send these samples to a laboratory for even more tests so that doctors can identify which germs are living inside our body.
So how do germs spread?
Germs easily spread when you cough or sneeze without covering your mouth. If you sneeze in your hands and touch objects, like we mentioned before, the germs will stay there too.
Most germs are spread through the air and sneezes, coughs, or even when a person simply breathes.
Germs can also spread in sweat, saliva, and blood. And germs very easily spread from person to person just by touching something that could be contaminated with somebody else's germs.
For example, shaking hands with someone who has a cold and then touching your own nose can easily spread that same virus to you and cause you to get sick. So how can we prevent germs from spreading to us and others?
Well, first, it is super important to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue while sneezing or coughing.
Then you should immediately throw that tissue away. Don't put it in your pocket or on a table or desk. And something else you can do if you have to cough or sneeze is to do it in your elbow so you're not contaminating your hands. If you use your hands, wash them right away because it can help get rid of the germs and help from spreading it to other people. And when a person you know that is sick or has a cold, you should not hug them, share food, or shake hands with them until they are no longer sick and can spread their germs.
Did you know that there is a right way to wash your hands to help make those germs go away?
You want to use warm soap and water. You rub your hands together, cleaning in between your fingers, the top of your hands and your palms for at least 15 seconds, which is about how long it takes to sing Happy Birthday.
Then dry your hands using a paper towel or cloth towel. If you are using a paper towel, you should throw it away immediately. Remember these words: germs are afraid of soap and water. Here are a few crazy facts about germs.
Research has found that when you flush a toilet, an invisible cloud of water shoots over 3 to 4 feet in the air.
Since we are talking about toilets, can you believe an office desk has 400 times more bacteria than your average toilet? So remember, there are a lot of good germs out there, but also a lot of bad ones that can make you sick. The best way to stay healthy and not get sick is by following some of the info we shared in this video. But I think one thing stands out the most.
Remember these words. Germs are afraid of soap and water. Hey, did you like this video?
Hey, did you learn something new?
Then don't forget to
Sub and smash that like button.
and we'll see you on the next Hey, Guess What? Boom!
Okay, so all about germs. So are germs everywhere?
Everywhere.
That's right. Germs are everywhere. And what is very important for us to do? What is important for us?
Wash your hands.
That's right. It is important to wash your hands. And if you are to cough or to sneeze, what should we put over our mouths and our noses? What should we put over our mouth and our nose? A tissue. You must use a tissue to put over your mouth and your nose, okay? Use a tissue and remember to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Okay. So let's go back. Oh, and also there are good and bad germs. Not all the germs are bad. So there's good and bad germs, okay? So germs are everywhere. They're all around us. There are good germs and there are bad germs. And the bad germs make us feel a little bit icky sometimes. Okay. Ways to stop germ spreading. Wash your hands for about 20 seconds with soap and water. Use a tissue for coughing and sneezing.
Alcohol.
Yeah, you can use hand sanitizer as well. The alcohol sanitizer, that's right. And avoid touching your eyes and your nose and your mouth if your hands are not clean. Do not touch your face. Okay, so in your people's book, we are on Unit 12. Unit 12. Germs, germs everywhere. Germs, germs everywhere. Germs, germs everywhere. JJ, can you please read this for us, JJ? Are you ready?
Germs around us. What?
JJ, we cannot hear you. Did you know?
Lots of germs around us.
Oh, JJ, you are reading too quickly. Nobody can hear you.
Did you know that lots of germs are around us?
Germs are? Okay, JJ, we cannot hear you, my boy. We can't hear you. CK, do you want to try and read? Okay. We can read it together, okay? Are you ready? Let's read it together, CK. Okay? Let's go. Did you know
Did you know
there are
there are
lots and lots
lots and lots
of
of
germs
ways of
around
around
us?
us?
Very good. Germs are
Are
on
on
our
our bodies
and
and
even
even in the
air.
air.
Okay, very good. Well done, CK. Okay, so they're saying that germs are on our bodies and where else? Where else is the germs? On our bodies and in the air. Okay, germs on our bodies and in the air. Okay. T, can you read this one for me, please?
May I go to toilet?
Yes, Baibun.
Can make us smell very bad. They can also make us ill.
Yeah, okay. So germs can make us smell yucky and stinky, and we don't want to be stinky, right? We want to be smelly. Okay. Eva, can you read this one, please?
The
Common
cold and
flu
flu
are
everywhere. I must hold my
breath. Very good. Well done. So the common cold and flu germs are everywhere. I must hold my breath because I don't want the germs. But then at the bottom, he says here, what does he say here, Yuri?
Don't be silly. Our body
Fights
fight
germs,
germs, but too
many
for
of them
make us
ill.
ill.
Okay, very good. So our bodies can fight the germs, but sometimes if there is too many, it can make us feel sick. Okay, so now look here, as we've said, there is good bacteria and there is bad bacteria. And sometimes we get too many bad ones and then we have to go to the doctor because we do not feel very well. Okay, is this easy or difficult for you to understand? You understand? Yeah? Okay. Now, it says please go to activity 9. How much do you know? For each statement, we will circle T for true and F for false. And the ones that are false, we will write them to make them true. Has everybody got their activity books open? Have you all got your activity books open? Yeah, page 19, okay? Yes. Page 19. Page 19. Okay, are we ready to begin? Are you ready? Can we begin page 19? Okay, so, oh, so sorry. I have stopped sharing. Let me share that again. Sorry.
Good night.
Okay, so Kalpan, please read the first one for us.
Oh, on body
Usually
fights greens,
germs.
germs, but too many germs will take it us.
Okay, too many germs will make us ill. Is this true or false?
True.
True?
True.
Okay, so which letter are we going to circle?
T.
T or F?
T.
That's
T.
right, T. Circle letter T. Our body usually fights germs, but too many can make us ill. Okay. Right, the next one, number 2. Who can read number 2 for us? Nate, can you read number 2, please?
This
Diseases
is it such
and
the common cold and flu are spread by germs in the air.
well done. Good job, Nate. Okay, so diseases such as the common cold and flu are spread by germs in the air. Is that true or false?
True.
True. That's right. It's true. So which letter am I going to circle?
T.
T. Very good. We're going to circle letter T. Okay. Amata, can you please read number 3?
Teacher, what please?
Alice, it's activity. Hold on. It's on page 19.
Okay.
Activity 9 on page 19.
59
Do you have it, Alice?
Yes. See, book 59.
Okay, so Amata, can you read number 3 for us?
Okay.
Keeping
Keeping
yourself
yourself
clean
clean.
keeps
Kiss
all
all
germs
germs
away.
away.
Okay, very good. Well done, Amata. So, keeping yourself clean keeps all germs away. Is this true or false?
True.
True, yeah. It can be true. Does everybody agree? Does everybody agree?
True is T.
Yes, true is T. That's correct.
Sure.
Yeah. Marshmallow. Okay, and the last one. All right, Nanon, do you want to read the last one for us?
Germs are only
Found
in
dirty
dirty
places.
places.
Okay, so germs are only found in dirty places. Is this true or false?
False.
It's false. That's right. Where are germs found?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So which letter am I going to circle?
Everywhere.
Circle letter F for false.
False.
It is false.
Yes. Is it false?
Yes, it is false. Okay, so now we need to rewrite the one that is false. At the bottom, we need to rewrite it. Okay, so let me just make it bigger so you can see it. All right, and must I just fill it with the color so you can see it? Okay, so let's put number 4. It's number 4 that we are rewriting. So what are we saying for number 4? How are we going to rewrite number 4?
The germ is everywhere.
Okay, that's right. So germs are everywhere. Don't forget to put your full stop. Germs are everywhere. Remember to put number 4 because number 4 is the one we are rewriting. And don't forget to put a full stop at the end. Germs are everywhere. Is it too small? Must I make it bigger?
It's bigger. It's not small.
Not big enough. Okay, let me make it bigger for you.
No bigger. Small. Small.
Is that okay? Can you see it better?
Yes.
Okay. Germs are everywhere.
ให้พักไอ้นี่นะแม่อะไรก็ไม่รู้โพสให้พักเดี๋ยวนี้
Let me know when you are finished, okay?
Finish.
Finished, okay?
Finish.
Alice, finished?
Finish.
Finished. Good. CK, finished?
Finish.
Finished. JJ, finished?
I finished.
Finished. Good.
I finished.
Finished, okay? You're finished,
Finish.
okay?
I finished. Finish.
Finished, okay? Can teacher stop it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Good job. Well done, everybody.
Teacher, I'm not finished.
Who said that?
Look. Teacher, I finished.
Okay, wait. Let me just share it again for... Okay, wait. Hold on. Just hold on for me 1 second.
I'm finished, teacher.
Are you finished? Okay.
Yes.
Let me just go here and open it for you. Okay, 1 second. It's just opening. Okay. Let me share it again. Hold on. Okay, do you see it? Let me know when you are finished, please. Yuri, are you cutting out your teeth? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Finish.
Finished. Okay, thank you. I will close it now. Okay, right. Well done, everybody. Let me just share this with you. Okay, I'm going to share the last video with you and then we can say goodbye.
No. Goodbye.
Okay, it's just a little germ song.
Bye-bye.
Germ song.
Bye-bye.
Germs, we don't want them. Germs, let's not get them. Let's do all the things that we can do. Stay away from germs. Wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your hands with soap and water. That's the way you won't get sick. Wash your hands with soap and water. Don't put your fingers on your face. Don't put your fingers on your face. That's the way you won't get sick. Don't put fingers on your face. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. That's the way you won't get sick. Cover your mouth when you cough. Exercise and dance around. Exercise and dance around. That's the way you won't get sick. Exercise and dance around. Germs, we don't want them. Germs, let's not get them. Let's do all the things that we can do to stay away from germs. Eat healthy food every day. Eat healthy food every day. That's the way you won't get sick. Eat healthy food every day. Use a tissue when Achoo! Use a tissue when you sneeze. Achoo! That's the way you won't get sick. Use a tissue when you sneeze. Achoo! Don't put your hands in your mouth. Don't put your hands in your mouth. That's the way you won't get sick. Don't put your hands in your mouth. Stay home when you don't feel well. Stay home when you don't feel well. That's the way you won't get others sick. Stay home when you don't feel well. Germs, we don't want them. Germs, let's not get them. Let's do all the things that we can do to stay away from germs. If you get sick, it's okay. Just rest and stay home for a day. You'll be better soon. I know that's true, 'cause germs won't hurt you. Germs, we don't want them. Germs, let's not get them. Let's do all the things that we can do to stay away from germs.
Okay, so remember to wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands. All right, good job, everybody. I will see you again tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Okay? Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.